So an HVAC service contract, tune-up, or maintenance, they're all very similar. Yes, they are worth getting done. I compare heating and cooling maintenance similar to your vehicle. If you never change the oil in your vehicle, you're going to have more mechanical problems down the road. And it's the same thing with your HVAC equipment. So having a maintenance or tune-up would definitely be recommended to keep your system at its peak abilities. Another thing that's beneficial with the maintenances and the tune-ups is, unfortunately, over years of use, if you don't keep up with the equipment, there's no way to get it back to its original standing. So from day one, when you purchase your equipment, if you're constantly maintaining it every single year, you're going to keep that equipment in tip-top shape, which is going to give you better efficiency and better comfort levels. So you got to be careful with service contracts that claim to cover everything. Typically, you're going to find a lot of fine print on those. Most of your reliable companies are going to offer some type of maintenance plan to keep up with your equipment, and that maintenance plan will be followed by some type of discount because you are their customer. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like. And if you have any questions about your home or your equipment, please drop a comment below and we'll try to feature it in our next video.